Hello, welcome to Live Mathematics. This is Alok Kumar Sinha and today we will solve problem based on congruency of triangle of exercise 7.3 and only question number 2 and 3. So, in question number 2, it is given that AD is an altitude of an isosceles triangle ABC in which AB equal to AC, so that AD bisects BC and AD bisects angle A. So first we need to draw a figure. What is given? Isosceles triangle ABC. So we draw a isosceles triangle. This is a isosceles triangle A, B and C. So it is given that an altitude AD is drawn. AD. Altitude AD. Altitude means perpendicular on opposite side. Perpendicular on opposite side is called altitude. AD is altitude in which AB equal to AC, and it is given that this is isosceles triangle AB equal to AC, so that AD bisects BC. AD bisects BC. AD जो है वो BC को bisect करेगा. Bisect करेगा means it divides into two equal part. So BD is equal to DC. It is to be proved. So we have to prove BD equal to CD first, and AD bisects angle A. AD bisects angle A means this angle equal to this angle. AD angle A को bisect करेगा, मतलब कि ये angle 1. Suppose that this is angle 1 and this is angle 2. So we need to prove angle 1 equal to angle 2 and BD equal to CD. So first we write given. In triangle ABC, AB equal to AC, AB equal to AC. And AD perpendicular BC, it is given in question. You have to write down it to prove BD equal to CD. BD equal to CD. AD bisects BC means BD equal to CD. And second, BAD equal to CAD. BAD means angle 1 and CAD means angle 2. So that AD bisects angle A. Now, in proof, since BD and angle 1 comes in this triangle ADB, and CD and angle 2 comes in triangle ADC. So in proof we write in triangle ADB and triangle ADC. We are going to write the part of ADB in this side and write the part of ADC in this side. So first it is given that ADB equal to ADC because they are 90 degree. So angle ADB equal to angle ADC because of equal to 90 degree. AB equal to AC, it is given. AB equal to AC given, and last AD equal to AD. AD इस triangle में भी है, AD इस triangle में भी है. So AD equal to AD common. AD equal to AD common. Therefore triangle ADB congruent to triangle ADC by right angle hypotenuse side RHS by RHS congruency rule. So it is congruent, therefore we can write BD equal to CD, BD equal to CD by CPCD corresponding part of congruent triangle, and this implying that AD bisects BC. Also we can write angle 1 equal to angle 2. Angle 1 equal to angle 2. The same reason by CPCT. Congruent triangle का corresponding part equal होता है. Therefore 1 equal to 2 means AD bisects angle A, implying that AD bisects angle A. So it is proved second, and this is proved first. Now in question number 2, we have given that side AB, BC and median AM of triangle ABC are respectively equal to side PQ, QR and median PN of triangle PQR, so that triangle ABM congruent triangle PQN and triangle ABC congruent triangle PQR. It is given in the figure that side AB and BC and median AM are equal to side PQ, side QR and median PN of that triangle. So we have to prove that ABM, this triangle, and PQN, this triangle, are congruent. And in second, whole triangle ABC and triangle PQR are congruent. So first you must have write what is given in the question, that is this part ABBC and median AM are equal to side PQ, QR and median of PN of triangle PQR, and to prove you have to write down this part. Now we are going to prove it. So first we have seen that in triangle ABM and triangle PQN. So write in triangle ABM and triangle PQN. ABM और PQN में हम लोग देखेंगे क्या क्या इक्वल है. So we have given that AB equal to PQ. Write it. AB equal to PQ given. Again AM equal to PN. AM equal to PN. It is also given in question that median are equal. And one thing, BC equal to QR. So if BC equal to QR, then half of BC is BM and half of QR is QN. BC का हाफ BM होगा और QR का हाफ QN होगा. वो भी इक्वल होगा क्योंकि इक्वल पार्ट का हाफ भी इक्वल होता है. So we can write BM equal to QN. Write the region. Since BC is equal to QR. So BC by 2, divide both side 2. So BC by 2 means half of BC. Half of BC is BM because M is midpoint, because this is median. Remember it. And half of QR is QN because PR is median. So N is midpoint. Median means a line joining vertex to opposite side, midpoint of opposite side. So N is midpoint. If N is midpoint, then QR का हाफ QN होगा और NR भी होगा, लेकिन हम लोग को जो जरूरत है वो लिखेंगे QN and BM. So BM equal to Q1, BM write the region. So therefore we can say that triangle ABM congruent to triangle PQN by SSS congruency criteria. This is proved. Question number 1. Now in question number 2, ABC in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, we have given AB equal to PQ. AB equal to PQ, it is given AB equal to PQ. Also we can say that B equal to angle Q because triangle ABM and triangle PQN are congruent. We have just proved above. ABM congruent to triangle PQN. So we can write angle B equal to angle Q. Write the region by CPCT. By CPCT. Since triangle ABM congruent to triangle PQN. ABM and PQN are congruent, so that we can say that angle B equal to angle Q. ये दोनों triangle congruent है तो angle B equal to angle Q by CPCT. So, and last BC equal to QR. It is given in question. BC equal to QR. So triangle ABC are going to congruent triangle PQR by side angle side. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.